For this video, I'm going to talk about how to draw a caricature head shape and why and how it helps. Now you can see on these photos I am tracing over the shape of their heads because I'm trying to find that shape. I'm going to pull them over here to the right and then go over them again and simplify them and try to find that perfect head shape or simple head shape. And now I think I've found it. A triangle, a pear shape, a square, and a circle. Now that's not the only shapes that are out there, but on these photos, those are the shapes that I see. Now I'm going to bring them back here and superimpose them over top of the photos again and just show you how they kind of personify those people with those very simple shapes. Now once I find the head shape, that's going to help me to know exactly how to exaggerate that face, and it's also going to help me to draw a quicker likeness. Okay, in this part of the video, I'm just going to quickly sketch out these four faces, and I'm starting with the baby. Now the baby's head is very round. It's like a little beach ball, and you'll notice when you're drawing kids that, especially babies, their faces are very round. They're like a ball of joy. Just a round little face, and the cool ribbon kind of breaks the monotony of the round shape. Now we're drawing Mr. Squareface over here. His face is very square, and in fact his face is so square that he lives in a town called Four Corners. He drives a box truck and he eats 4 square meals a day. No, I'm just kidding, but I am drawing his face very square, and his hair is shaped a little differently, so we're going to add that on there. Okay, now we are drawing the young pear-shaped lady, and she is a member of the fruit and vegetable people that are out there. Just kidding, but seriously, there's a lot of people with head shapes out there. They may be shaped like a strawberry or shaped like a banana, or there could even be people out there, depending on their hairstyle, shaped like broccoli. So you can have broccoli heads, potato heads, pear-shaped heads. But the best thing to do is not to mention that to them. Okay, and this guy's head is very triangular. In fact, if he was around in ancient times, they could have used his head to help design the pyramids, I think. Or his head could look just like a giant slice of pizza. And I really can't joke about these people's head shapes because they actually look good. But when I was a kid, I used to have a big potato head. Just kidding about that. Let's try one more. Okay, I'm going to draw this one real quick based on the head shape. This guy's head shape is very angular. I'm seeing a very rectangle head shape. And just to talk a little more about the importance of the head shape, I went to a weekend workshop to draw caricatures, and the workshop was run by a famous artist named Tom Richmond. Tom Richmond is a fantastic caricature artist who used to be the main artist to draw the movie spoofs in Mad Magazine. And so it was a 3-day workshop, and the main thing that he showed to exaggerate is the head shape. And one way to exaggerate is to stretch and squash and exaggerate the head shape, and then draw the features in almost just as you see them, but causing them to fit inside that head shape. And that's one way to get a good exaggeration. It's also interesting that one time I saw the famous caricature artist Jack Davis draw a caricature of Stan Lee from Marvel Studios. And the camera focused on what he was drawing, and the very first thing he did was sketch the face shape or the head shape of Stan Lee. And then he drew in all the features, and of course it was a fantastic drawing. So even famous artists use this technique. There's actually a lot more to exaggerating concerning the head shape, like the water balloon theory, or exaggerating the individual features, or finding the weight of the face, whether it's a 2-way split or a 3-way split. But I'll probably talk about those on a future video. that's all for this video. Have fun practicing, and I'll see you on the next one.